you want to present? Do you want to say anything about it before you start?
I don't know.
No, not really.
Yeah, it's called Martin Luther King rap.
Oh.
Genius
lyrics.
Yeah.
Wonderful title. Right, you start. And Chris is filming.
Okay. Today. So even though we face the problems of tomorrow and today, I have a dream that one day the sons of former slaves, owners can sit down at one table. I have a dream that one day every valley, every mountain, all the rough and rugged places, everything will be made neutral. From the hilltops of New Hampshire, let the freedom ring. From the mighty mountains of New York, let the freedom ring. From the snow-capped Colorado, let the freedom ring. From the curvy slopes of California, let the freedom ring. From the Lookout Mountain, Tennessee, let the freedom ring. From Mary Hill of Mississippi. Have a dream. It's deeply rooted in the American dream. This is our hope. This is our faith. This is my American dream.
Yeah!